in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your taskbar is not appearing or is missing on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is tap the Windows key on your keyboard, open up the search menu, and then just start typing in taskbar settings. Should be the best result here. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, expand taskbar behaviors, and where it says automatically hide the taskbar, go ahead and make sure that is unchecked, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.